Hello everyone, I'm Connie, the owner of Power Blast Fireworks. Thank you guys for joining us on our YouTube channel. I would like to introduce you one of the most coolest, loudest cracker slabs available on the US market. These are our Power Blast Super Slabs. First, I want to show you the innovative packaging. Not only it is a high quality of the box and very easy to open, but as you can see, when I open the box, you can see we have developed a very clever way to package these slabs, and other brands use a bag filled with sawdust. This is a new packaging way, and this is a normal packaging way. And I think this normal packaging, sometimes it needs to some of the slabs bursting before opening the box and the bags. But this new packaging way, you see each single slab packed flat on the top, and then we put double layer foam for protection from the bumps and drops on the floor. I think that this packaging is much more safer than the normal packaging. This means safer shipping when you import our Power Blast Super Slabs, and it also means better quality for your retail customers. Thanks for your watching, and let's check out the demo videos of Power Blast Super Slabs. Thank you, bye!
The international initial firework packaging method has improved the safety performance of this product in storage, handling and transportation. This is the live experimental picture of our finished product. 1. The single box product dropped from the second floor. 2. The whole case of products dropped from the second floor. 3. The porter in the warehouse accidentally dropped the product to the ground. 4. When loading the truck, the worker accidentally dropped the product to the ground. 5. The product in a 12-meter drop test at a professional firework test site.